before I tell you what this month's theme is, I will tell you what our young adult fandom is for this month. And that fandom is the Red Queen series by Victoria Aveyard. And like I told you guys last month, every month in your bags, you will get a button and a bookmark to do with a different young adult fandom. And so these are the bookmark and the button for the fandom this month for the Red Queen series. So these will be in the bags should you decide to come get one. So then moving right along, our theme this month is plants, herbs, and flowers. So we have, of course, a book on our featured theme. This one is called Love and Other Carnivorous Plants by Florence Gonzalez. And this one is for those of you that are fans of realistic fiction. She covers some pretty tough topics in it, but she also has a lot of humor running through it. So for those of you that are into realistic fiction, this would be a good one to check out. It's available here at the library. And then our craft for this month is planting. So in the craft bags, there are cute little pots like this available for you guys to plant some seeds. And I've included in your bags some different herb seeds. There are also little papers with the growing instructions for each one of the different herbs that you may have in your bag. And then you guys can plant those at home. They may need repotted later should they get really big. And obviously the pots are cute all by themselves, but if you guys want, you can decorate your pots. I decorated mine. I did a little pour painting, which looked like this. What the finished product looks like, which I'm very pleased with. It turned out super cool. I would recommend though not doing it upside down on a paper plate like I did it, because whether or not you can see it in the video, it got stuck to the plate when it dried and then made a little mess on the top. So if you guys decide to do that at home, I would definitely recommend doing it on some parchment paper or wax paper or maybe even tin foil if you have it, to prevent sticking. And I think that is it for this month. The craft bags that have all the supplies in it to do your planting, that have those cool young adult fandom items in them, are available here at the children's desk until they run out. So stop on in and get a bag, and then check us out again next month for another Teen Theme Crafts.